Ha ha. Boom, baby, boom. There we are. What's going on? Appreciate you coming. Appreciate you coming by. Thanks for stopping on in. What's going on, people? All right, all right, all right. Who we got in here tonight? I ain't even gonna say it. Tony Lulu, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? What's up, good people? Yancey in the house. They got a class at 9. Okay, okay. Or is it tonight? Well, I'll be quick. I'm not gonna. What's up? What's up? Google printed. That's right. That's exactly right. Hello, Jelly. David Yala, Rescue, Alfonso G, Z River Rats, Dale Napper. I think somebody does it to mess with me, DC. Hey, I won't stay on long. I didn't realize that they probably told me, but I don't think I realized Miss Mary was on tonight. So I will go for about 25 minutes and then I will hop off. That way everybody can hop on and support them, okay? So let's look at a couple of things. Anybody got that? What's up, Panther? Fat Tony. Y'all like that Google today, huh? Saurlito, the recording session was fire. It was fire. Y'all want to hear? Y'all want to hear a minute of it? You guys want to hear a little bit? Z River Rats, what's going on? Let's see here. Can I play? Let's see how I can figure out how to play. Don't let me blow you away here. Just a quick snippet. How about that? Just a quick snippet. Dakota 11K. Google was fire. What's up, Cameron? Walmart calls for in the morning, Fat Tony said. Yeah, let's hear let me make sure I don't blow y'all away. Can y'all hear that? All analog, Saurlito.
Daddy bought his corn and copper from the Claiborne County Co-op.
Can y'all hear it?
Parked underneath Powell River Bridge where he'd find a hollow spot. Down by the river where the water runs cold, on the dark side of a steep ridge line no lawman would ever know. See, he used to work way down in the mine.
That's me, James
Cold dust
Brown.
covered him from head to toe, set those home nights. Till one day they locked the door, thanks to a suit and tie.
That's not master.
That money and time to kill, he did what he had to survive.
That's not mixed.
He went from dry. He went from hell to high water, to the clear from the black. He went from coal to corn and copper. He ain't never going back.
What y'all think? Versace said, "What's happening here? We're listening to the band that I'm in, our new album, just a snippet or two. What do you think? You want to hear one more? That's just a snippet. Let's get one. Let's get one more here." Thank you, baby. And
Struck
thanks,
down
Rich
this
Man.
blacktop, I keep running full steam. All this shitting on my hard work, Lord, it's been making me mean. I got 10,000 down, 10,000 to go. You ain't gotta tell me it's a hard road to hoe. I've been up, I've been up, I've been down, I've been every which way you go. I've been left, I've been right, either way it goes, I'm still on the road. All this spewing out your mouth, oh, you ain't scared of me. I've been doing this for 25 years, boys, I ain't green. I trade punches for punches, I go round and round, that old devil himself, he couldn't knock me down. I've been up, I've been up, I've been down, I've been every which way you go. I've been left, I've been right, either way it goes, I'm still on the road.
Here we go. Yeah, that's me, Ronnie. Yeah, Kelly. What y'all think? I appreciate you listening with me. I really do. I appreciate you listening. All right, let's get on a few charts here before we get distracted. I appreciate it. It'll be in we'll release it after the first of the year. It's got to be mixed and mastered. That's just like a rough straight off the board mix. So it's not mixed, it's not mastered or anything yet. Yeah, gonna be fun. I'm loving it. I appreciate it. Thank you, Monique. Ray Christensen, Riverside Revival. Riverside Revival. What's up, Raj Deep? I've not forgot you today, brother. I'm trying to message you back before I hit the bed, man. Yeah. Thank you all. Thanks, Guppy. So, yeah, Nvidia, guys, I mean, let's think about this for a moment. Is this... Yes, it was a nice pop. Yes, it was a nice move. What do we need to overcome? First thing I will look at in the morning. Yeah, this could be... This could be... I'm not saying it is. Could be a bull trap. You know, Ronnie and I'll have... we did a name change and a band change not long ago. So I'll be honest with you, I don't know that we've changed it on YouTube yet. We've got Facebook and Instagram, and this will be our first release though, on Apple and Spotify and stuff. So hopefully some of you guys can listen to it, support it. I would appreciate that big time. Yep. Excuse me. So, anyways, this could be a bull trap. Yes. The market was definitely waiting on this news, and you can see I've already got it diagrammed. Look at this here, 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 all down through here. This was the level to hold. 180. 180 was the level. We didn't give it up. We simply hopped off of it again. Now, this is also a good inside bar move. You get this little descending line of resistance. This is an inside bar. When it breaks off out of this line, you go long on it. That's an easy move for this. It has got to get I'm just going to get rid of everything here. Now, where's April? April, right there. Okay, look why we held. Look why we held, guys. This was a bit of an easier one to see, but Nvidia has printed a large volume node up here, right? Look at all this. This would have to be abandoned for Nvidia to get a pullback to, I would say, previous highs somewhere around the 155 mark would be possible. That makes pretty good sense to me. You can see we tapped it there, it bounced again. This was where it broke the previous highs, right? It would have to give up 170, honestly, to do that. And this never dropped your POC from April. 175 was the very bottom right here. 180 was your upper range. So it's still bullish until it ain't. If you want to go check just this down move for our shelves, I often do that. So we'll go to the 1 hour, right? And I just want to see what I want to measure now when I do this is I want to go get the top and see what's ahead of me. Now look what's ahead. This was what we had to break out of, right? Right here. Here's your next there was your next break point. You got some support in here, right there. Okay, these are levels. You may want to throw these on your chart. Okay, really close to this 191.50. Now, the next thing in your way, and I've got about 10 minutes here, guys. I'm not going to step on Miss Mary's toes if she's got class tonight. Okay, 199.50. So basically 200. You're going to have to clear 200. You might as well say 200. That's a psychological level that will have to be broke. And right here, 202.80. So you're going to have 200 and then 202.80 in your way above you. We'll see what tomorrow does when it opens. I would look for a back test of the 194 area or the 190-150 area. This would be two back tests for you if the move doesn't just hold here and then move on up. But That's 2 levels above, 2 levels below, and I would keep those on my radar. And then I want to see daily MACD and weekly MACD and RSI tomorrow after we open. Right now, it's not going to show. What I did like about this is Nvidia got down here to the zero line and printed a shaded positive bar back to the upside. So this signal line, this could just curl right here, just like it did back in this neighborhood. You see, it lost it back here. This was a sell signal that never got confirmed. This signal line never came with it. And then it regained and went back for another run. And it's sort of giving that look here. I'm imagining tomorrow this thing's gonna be curled around. We can't see it because it don't show after hours on the daily chart. Okay, so that's the levels I would have on my radar for right now with Nvidia, and we'll see how it does. Someone said Nokia. I will look at that right fast. What did it do? Did it run with it? Mm. What happened? It shook you out today. Don't know if you should get back in. Would you be able to look at Amazon? Um, Nokia. I mean, it's making a turn on the 4 hour. This is one I'd be considering to DCA in for a long haul with it. This could be a good pair, but you don't want to. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how that opens tomorrow. Did it not run with Nvidia after hours? Obviously not. No, not much. No, not much at all. I'll have to look into that some more. Um, what's up, Tony? 640. Yeah, we can look at Amazon right fast. I'm sorry, guys. I won't. I hate to rush off of here. I would have hung out for a little while, but so we're back to that original level, guys. You got to get back over to. Remember me preaching 223, 224 back here? Same thing. Right here's your break point. 224. If we hold 224, we'll see if we get a turnaround. This is the 12-hour chart. We'll see if we get a turnaround down here on the daily tomorrow. See what happens, and then you've got this to deal with, 234. And 237.40. I would honestly adjust that to here. About 240. Yeah. 224's got a hold on Amazon. $218 bottom support for right here. Okay. This ain't very pretty after 218. You've got this 210 area would be your next support. Yep. That's how I see that. 224's got a hold. I think you can get I see 230 also. Maybe 230. Right in there. About 230 also. 224, then 230, okay? We'll see what the momentum looks like in the morning after market opens, okay? All right, my friends, got 5 minutes. Thanks, Mark. Mark must be running behind. Yeah, that was me on one of them and my buddy Blake on another one. Thank you, Woti Love. Below it. Yeah, let me look at Netflix right fast. I'll be making my mind up on some swing. I've been kind of chill on swings here, trying to wait around see what was going to happen with Nvidia, honestly. So maybe I can get a couple swings back on the board for us. What did Netflix do after hours? Not a whole lot. Back up to 111. 108's your big support here on Netflix. I nailed this run when I started covering. It was right here, and that was a good run. Um, if you look at this as a whole, I love Netflix in this upper range up here. This is a good volume, node all the way at the top up there. It's printed a nice volume node. It has. Let's just go back to. There's the first of the year. You can see it has had a tremendous run this year. Look at that. Look at all this. All this volume up here is equal to or greater than the volume down here. This is a good volume node. So if 108 holds, I'll continue DCA in here on a daily. We're sitting at the 200 still, so that's kind of a line in the sand. We don't want to start closing under it, but if we do, this is a 5-year investment for me. I'm not thinking about next week. I'm thinking about 5 years. I'm not thinking about, it's not scalping Mike, it's investing Mike. That's how I do it. So, anyways, I got 3 minutes, guys. I want you, I would really appreciate, I love Miss Mary and Tamir. I will not step on their toes. I forgot they were doing class tonight, so I'm gonna hop off out of respect, and well, I'll be on in the morning, right? So I'll do my best to come on pre-market for maybe 30 minutes before the market, and we'll chart some together. Okay. I love you. I appreciate you. If you want to, where is their class? Let me see. Where is their class? If you're interested in my Saturday class, you need to email me. I will return emails for the next 2 days. So if I've not got back to you, be patient. I don't have anyone working for me. It's just me. So I will get back to you. Let me double check that Mary's doing. Live YouTube with Tamir. Where's it at? Okay. Does anybody see it? There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna hop off, guys. I love you. I appreciate you. Go check out their channel. I just saw it on Miss Mary Airtwan's channel on the Discord. Okay. So go check out their channel. I love you. Hit my emails in the description. If you want to support me, my link for the Discord is in the description. If you're not in the Discord, I would invite you to come be part with us, okay? Love you guys. Appreciate it. I will talk to you in mañana, okay? Thanks for listening to the music with me too, guys. I really appreciate it. Boom, baby. I love you. I'm still offering one-on-one, James. I've just I'm not booking because it's so far out. I want to let December get here first, then I will book January. That way people are not feeling left behind. But group classes are going to be increasing, okay? Just email me, James. All you got to do is email me. It's in the description of all my videos. My email is, okay? Love y'all. Appreciate it. Go check out Miss Marion Ertwan, okay? Or Miss Marion Tamir.